सर तिलक लगाओ, जश्न दिवाली मनाओ, जश्न दिवाली मनाओ। जब से राम जी पधारे वनवास से, खुशियां लाए वो भर के अपने आंगने, रूठे रिश्तों को फिर से मनाने, पधारे अपनों को अपनों से मिलाने, सबके दिलों का सबसे प्यारा आया खुशियों वाला त्योहार।
But today we are going to first have Ganesh Ji's puja, so please everybody come in and join. And we have our Sukrit to perform the puja.
Who will bestow or the shower the wealth onto us in every way, so that we get flourished in our life according to the Veda. So let us perform the ritual within a very short time, so that we can commit to our program and start the beginning, auspicious beginning of this Diwali ceremony. So at this time, we will now perform the Achman, which is Achman, according to Hindu pantheon, is the sanctification of body, mind, and soul. Om Vishnu Tada Vishnu Paramang Pada Sada Pashanti Shuraya Divi Va Chakshuratam Apavitra Pavitro Va Sarvavasta Gato Hipa Jatsarit Pundarikakshang Sarvavajjantar Shuchi Madhava Vachi Madhava Hridhi Sharanti Shwadava Sharva Karjeshu Madhava Brahmana Divaya Go Brahmanartaya Cha Jagadhitaya Sri Krishnaya Govindaya Namaha Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Deva Maheshwara Guru Shaksha Parama Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Okay. Om Kartebhasmin Sri Sri Ganapati Tatha Sri Lakshmi Puja Karmani Om Punnahang Bravantu Bravantu Om Punnahang Bravantu Bravantu Om Punnahang Bravantu Bravantu Om Punnahang Om Punnahang Om Punnahang Om Kartebhasmin Sri 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 Ganesha Tatha Sri Sri Mahalakshmi Puja Karmani Om Shasti Bravantu Bravantu Om Shasti Bravantu Bravantu Om Shasti Bravantu Bravantu Om Shasti Om Shasti Om Shasti Om Kartebhasmin Sri Ganesha Tatha Sri Sri Mahalakshmi Puja Karmani Om Rittim Bravantu Bravantu Om Rittim Bravantu Bravantu Om Rittim Bravantu Bravantu Om Riddhatam Om Riddhatam Om Riddhatam. With the Achman will perform something known as Sankalpa Sutra. That is, the divine hymn will now be chanted from the Vedas. Om Somang Rajanam Varunagni Mannamahe Aditya Vishnu Shujja Brahmanancha Vriyashpatim Om Devava Dravinada Punnang Vivashtasitam Urdha Shinchachubmopa Madita Deva Vahate. We seek the blessings of the illustrious Lord with devotion. May He help me to fulfill our goal with aspirations. We'll perform something known as the meditation from the Rig Veda. The Lord Ganesha first. Om Kharaga Stulatano Gajendra Badanam Lambadaram Shundaram Dantoghata Vidarita Shindura Shabhakaram Bande Shailashutam Ganapatoy Siddhartam Kamadam. एतत् पाद्यं ॐ गां गणेशाय नमः एतत् अर्घं गां गणेशाय निवेदयामि एतत् दीपं गां गणेशाय निवेदयामि एतत् यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा धूप चाहिए एतत् वनस्पतं गां गणेशाय निवेदयामि एतत् नैवेद्यं गां गणेशाय निवेदयामि Panchopuchar puja, that is the worshipping with the 5 elements, has to be performed for the Lord Ganesha, and so is for the Lakshmi. Mahalakshmi must be meditated first from the Rig Veda. Om Vishwarupasya Bhajvashi Pade Padmalahe Shuhe Sharvatta Pahimang Devi Mahalakshmi Namastute Etat Paddam Sri Sri Mahalakshmi Nivedayami Etat Argham Sri Sri Mahalakshmi Nivedayami Etat Vanashpattam Sri Sri Mahalakshmi Nivedayami Etat Deepam Sri Sri Mahalakshmi Nivedayami Etat Naivedyam Sri Sri एतत् नैवेद्यं श्री श्री महालक्ष्मी निवेदयामि एतत् पनर्थोदकं श्री श्री महालक्ष्मी निवेदयामि From the Rig Veda, we will now remove any obstacle that may be present here, so that to remove all the obstacles from this place of the happening, we will perform something known as Masavaktavali or the Vigna Nashan. The Vigna Nashan or the warding of the evil spirits from this place is something which is a central part of Hindu pantheon. So removing all the evils from the place of worship for which this particular worship is targeted for will be performed at this time. We'll call all the evils energy and remove them from the place of worship with the blessings of the Lord. We'll ask the Lord to remove all those evils and warding them off from the place of worship. We'll chant from the Rig Veda. Om Apasharvantu te bhuta je bhuta bhumi shanastita je bhuta vignakartantu nashyantu shapakaya Getalascha Pishashascha Rakshasascha Sharistipa Apo Sharvantu te Sarve Chandika Strinotarita Raksha Raksha Hum Fat Swaha Raksha Raksha Hum Fat Swaha Raksha Raksha Hum Fat Swaha Om Kharagasthulatano Gajendravadanam Lambadaram Sundaram Dantoghata Vidarita Sindura Shabhakaram Bande Shailashutam Ganapatoy Siddhartam Kamadam Vishwarupasya Bhajjashi Pade Padmalahe Shuhe Sharvatta Pahimang Devi Mahalakshmi Namastute Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Surjakoti Samaprabha Avignam Kurume Diva Sharva Karjeshu Sharvada. At this time we will perform something known as Arati for the Lord Ganesha and also the goddess Lakshmi. Om Kharagasthulatano Gajendravadanam Lambadaram Sundaram Dantoghata Vidarita Sindura Shabhakaram Bande Shailashutam Ganapatoy Siddhartam Kamadam.
My leg facing a little bit towards the side. Can you help me move my leg over here, facing towards the side? Just up right there by the tent. Move it towards this side.
Om जगदीश हरे तू पावे फल पावे दुख विनसे मन का प्रभु दुख विनसे मन का सुख संपत्ति घर आवे सुख संपत्ति घर आवे कष्ट मिटे तन का ओम जय जगदीश हरे मात पिता तुम मेरे शरण ग्रहु न की सकी प्रभु शरण ग्रहु न की सकी तुम बिन और न दूजा प्रभु बिन और न दूजा आस धरु न की सकी ओम जय जगदीश हरे परमात्मा तुम अंतर्यामी स्वामी तुम अंतर्यामी पार ब्रह्म परमेश्वर पार ब्रह्म परमेश्वर तुम सबके स्वामी ओम जय जगदीश हरे तुम करुणा के सागर तुम पालन करता
स्वामी तुम पालन करता मैं मूर्ख तुम
स्वामी मैं मूर्ख तुम स्वामी कृपा करो हरता ओम जय जगदीश हरे एक गोचर सबके प्राणपति स्वामी सबके प्राणपति विसविद मिलो दयामय विसविद मिलो दयामय तुमको मैं कुमति ओम जय जगदीश हरे न बंधु दुख हरता तुम रक्षक मेरे प्रभु तुम रक्षक मेरे अपने हाथ बढ़ाओ अपने चरण लगाओ द्वार खड़ा तेरे ओम जय जगदीश हरे इस विकार मिटाओ पाप हरो देवा स्वामी पाप हरो देवा श्रद्धा भक्ति बढ़ाओ श्रद्धा प्रेम बढ़ाओ संकट की सेवा ओम जय जगदीश हरे धन सब है तेरा स्वामी सब कुछ है तेरा तेरा तुझको अर्पण तेरा तुझको अर्पण क्या लागे मेरा ओम जय जगदीश हरे कर्पूर गौरम करुणावतारम संसार सारम भुजगेन्द्रहारम सदा वसंतम हृदयारविंदे भवं भवानी हरितं नमामि भवं भवानी हरितं नमामि
Of everyone, we will chant something known as the peace prayer, originally written by Bamdev Rishi, as depicted in the Yajurveda. Om Kasta Shatyamadhanam Mahangsha Mattam Darsha Virachudarujevashu Shakhinam Jari Trinam Shatam Bhavang Shutaye Vishwaveda Shasti Naksha Arishtanami Shasti Na Brihaspati Dadatu Prithivishwantihi Aushadhayashwantihi Vishwe Deva Shwantihi Vanaspate Shwantirehi Karudasthaja Mangalam Pundarikaksha Mangalaya Tanahari.
And let the joy, the mirth, the merriment and cheers of this divine festival surround you guys forever. नेटवर्क से पैगाम भेजा है सबसे पहले मैंने आप सभी को दीपावली का राम राम भेजा है। फुर्सत मिले तो जरूर कबूल कर लीजिएगा। तो इसके साथ हम आज का कार्यक्रम आरंभ करते हैं। कहते हैं ना कि आती है दिवाली, हम सब लेडीज जितनी हैं अपना सजना संवरना, मेहंदी, हाथ की चूड़ियाँ, पायलों की झनकार, सब सजना संवरना छोड़कर हाथ में झाड़ू लेते हैं। क्यों लेते हैं? घर की कोने कोने की सफाई करते हैं, इसी उम्मीद में कि दीपक की ज्योति ज्योति में प्रकाश, पुलकित हो धरती जगमगाए आकाश, हर दिए यही कहे माँ लक्ष्मी विराजे आप सबके घर द्वार। और लेडीज के लिए स्पेशली बहुत अच्छी दुआ मैं करती हूँ, आपकी बैटरी, मोबाइल की बैटरी हमेशा चार्ज रहे, आपका पति अपना काम अपने आप करे और आप हमेशा इसी तरह खाते रहिए, पीते रहिए और आपका वजन न बढ़े। So as all of you guys know, do you all know Dinesh? He's the owner and chef of Nanking Indo-Chinese restaurant in Artesia, California. He has a passion for Indian and Chinese cuisine. He combines both the flavors. दोनों एक बात पे हमेशा साथ देते हैं इस पे कि कहते हैं कि मुस्कुराते रहो, क्योंकि दुनिया का हर आदमी खिले फूल और खिले चेहरों को हमेशा पसंद करता है। So इसीलिए वो हमेशा उसकी नैनकिंग में जाइए, वो मुस्कुरा कर आपका स्वागत करता है। This is a very good quality with Dinesh. I've seen that. Ma has had its wings in Southern California for a long time. It does a lot of charity work. It helps. It gives aid to the people in distress in Nepal, and also it encourages the principles of the Nepali culture and all. So with this, I would like to invite Dinesh on stage, and he would like to honor few people who have been a very big role model in donating for the flood victims in Nepal. And they are Veda Bhakta Joshi ji, Dr. Sukrit Mukherjee, and Dil Shrestha ji. So AJ, you guys all know him. Another round of applause for him, because you can see this luxurious banquet, luxurious place is belongs to AJ ji. वो नहीं होते तो हम आज यहाँ नहीं होते. So a big round of applause and thank you to him too. Platinum West Funding, and has been in the funding business for many years and has helped a first-time buyer to achieve their dreams of owning a house. He has funded thousands in the community over the years, and they have supported and sponsored events for very good causes.
I really appreciate you all coming here, and moreover, supporting the cause. Some of you probably didn't quite get what we were trying to do. Me and Dinesh, we thought about doing a Diwali party, but then we started discussing. I said, we always party, we enjoy, we have a best of life and everything. But in an occasion like this, shouldn't we sometimes think about people who are really suffering? Most recently, we had a flood issue in Nepal and Bihar at the same time. So he said, let's do a combined Diwali function, and we will ask people whatever they would like to support and do it, and then we will donate the money to those causes. And I really appreciate a lot of you have very generously supported us and donated, and we are very thankful for that. Now, at the same note, I would like to really say that we are here to honor Mr. Rohit Joshi. He has been, all his life has supported underprivileged children or students for many, many years. And he has given his life for that cause. And he's also a very big philanthropist, and he's committed his life. That's his lifelong dream, and he's still continuing it. And our hats off to him. Thank you. And now we also have a birthday girl, very young. I don't know exactly how old she is now. She's coming, but you will find her in every function. She will make it there. And she's been in nursing for many years, and she has a lot of causes. She supports this diabetic. She does a lot of seminars and brings the awareness regarding diabetes and how to practice good health to avoid something like this. Am I right, Aparna? So again, say happy birthday to Aparna. Thanks. And I can't forget my good friend Dinesh, believes in helping the community, and he's a good businessman, and he's growing. He's just opening a very big Nankin, just another Nankin in San Diego. So again, hats off to him. Give him a warm welcome. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thanks for nice word.
Bhai here also going to write us a check. Not us, I mean this, for the cause. And thank you very much for that. Okay. Yeah, and also, now you talk about being a philanthropist. Here you go. Dr. Joshi is going to write another check for us. And this is with Sukrit Mukherjee, not only performed a great Ganesh Puja, he's also donating. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
appreciate it. Again,
Is an excellent event that has been organized by Dinesh Shah and AJ Dudhekar with the help from a lot of the stalwarts in the community, as we see here. And this has been a grand success, and bringing people together for a good cause, and also to exercise our culture is one of the greatest strategy here in the United States. And both Dinesh and AJ Shah are a real recipient of the hats off from all of us. So thank you to both of you for organizing this and inviting us to do this.
And thank you for supporting for the good cause. Just like Dil Dai, Amrubel Bua, Mukherjee Sahab, they're supporting for the flood victim of Nepal and Bihar. So that's really, really amazing. They're coming forward and try to support us for the good cause. So thank you.
wow, Dr. Joshi has given us $1,001 check for the cause. Thank you very much. Thank you again. Now we are ready for some nice music, singing program. Oh, okay. Oh, all right. Thank you. By the way, my birthday is in 2 days.
हैप्पी बर्थडे एजे जी, भगवान आपको बहुत लंबी उम्र दे, सलामत रहे और इसी तरह पार्टियां देती रहिए, हम लोग आते रहे. Ram and Bhavna came together 8 years back. They have this, they are very popular Bollywood musical duo, and they have original hits like Jab Teri, Arzu Hai, Dil, Ishq, Muntazir, Baby Doll. Their forthcoming releases are Awargi, Diwani, Aaja Nach Le, Besabriyan, Raat, and to name a few. They have a mesmerizing journey of Bollywood music. Bhavna, she's a multilingual singer with her own and unique, distinct style of singing. She sings primarily in Urdu, Bangla, Punjabi, and Hindi. And she really enthralls the audience, and the audience really dance on her music. She brings life to the party. She is very versatile and does variety of genres of music. Ram reminisces the legends like Muhammad Rafi, Kishore Kumar, Mukesh, Arijit, Vishal, and Bhavna takes the performances of songs of Lata Mangeshkar, Asha Bhosle, Shreya Ghoshal, Alka Yajnik to the next level. The Ram and Bhavna duo had international performances in USA, Singapore, Malaysia, Germany, UK, Holland and India. And they have done playback for telefilms in India. Bollywood celebrity songs, lyrics like Shakil Azmi, Nawab Arzu have written songs for Ram and Bhavna. And their original songs have been recorded in Bollywood and released by India's top record labels like T-Series, Times Music and TTM Music. Ram has been trained under the guidance of late Srimati Reba Muhuri, and he has performed with Udit Narayan, Alka, Usha. Ram has also performed The Temptations at the Beverly Hilton Hotel, Hollywood, USA, and he has toured USA with Sadhna Sargam as the main lead singer. And they have performed, both of them have performed at FM stations in India. Ram has received the Winston Spree Simon Award for music in Hollywood, USA at the prestigious Beverly Hilton Hotel in September. The duo Ram Bhavna's music is available on YouTube, T-Series, Times Music, and now they are all set to rock UAE, Malaysia, Singapore and India this winter. So with a big round of applause, let's welcome Ram and Bhavna on the stage.
Thank you. Happy Diwali.
केसर तिलक लगाओ, जश्न दिवाली मनाओ, जश्न दिवाली मनाओ। जब से राम जी पधारे वनवास से, खुशियां लाए वो भर के अपने आंगने, रूठे रिश्तों को फिर से मनाने, पधारे अपनों को अपनों से मिलाने। सबके दिलों का सबसे प्यारा आया खुशियों वाला त्योहार। बधाई हो दिवाली की बधाई हो, बधाई हो दिवाली की बधाई। जश्नों की दिवाली अपनी है दिवाली। बधाई हो दिवाली की बधाई हो, बधाई हो दिवाली की बधाई।
contesting for City Councilman for Artesia. Best of luck, and I request all of you either mail your ballot if you are too lazy to go there.
I'm a Manu Patel, City of Artesia Commissioner. Tony Lima, he was sick today, he cannot come. One of the greatest men give it to award. He did 10,000 people loan, and he working for 30 years community service. City of Artesia working with him, good taxpayer. Plus he was a UPICA president.
मेरा नाम तो बताओ.
His name is Ajay Dudekar. Please, Ajay Dudekar, give a hand of applause.
Thank you.
Yeah. Next one we have Nankin restaurant, Dinesh Shah. He was working so many years, a community worker, helping people, give job per employee, anybody need job. He got a place and he built in one of the biggest one, Santiago. One of the biggest restaurant, more than 6,000 square feet. Anybody go that area, you go have food. And City of Artesia, Tony Lima, recognize him as a good citizen of the City of Artesia.
Thank you. All right. Thank you so much, City of Artesia. Thank you. Thank you, Tony Lima.
ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ ਤੋਂ ਆਈ ਨੀ ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ ਤੋਂ ਆਈ ਨੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਭਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਖੜੇ ਚੌਂਕਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਿਪਾਹੀ ਨੀ ਟੋਟੀ ਤੇ ਕਾਲਾ ਦਿਲ ਕੁੜੀਏ ਟੋਟੀ ਤੇ ਕਾਲਾ ਦਿਲ ਕੁੜੀਏ ਜੋ ਦਾਗੇ ਜਨ ਦੇ ਟੁਕੜੇ ਤੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਜੱਜਦਾ ਏ ਕੋਲੇ ਮੁਖੜੇ ਤੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਜੱਜਦਾ ਏ जब लड़कों के दिलों में तू आग लगा दे बेबी फायर नकली से नखरे तू करे जब देखे हमें झूठी लायर काला काला चश्मा जचता तेरे मुखड़े पे जैसे काला दिल जचता है तेरे चिन पे अपनी अदाओं से ज्यादा नहीं तो 10-12 लड़के तो मार ही देती होगी तू दिन में
तुझे जैसे 36 फिरते हैं मेरे वर्गी और न होनी वे वर्गी और न होनी वर्गी और न होनी तू मुंडा बिल्कुल देसी है मैं कटदी ना तो सोनी